I would love to have an RV made out of an old tactical vehicle like that. That would be mega badass. And being an old salty Navy Beachmaster and CB dog that I am, very appropriate, very fitting. Anyway guys, welcome to this episode of Atlantic Ocean Watch. Let's see what I have for you guys today. Alright guys, welcome to this edition of Atlantic Ocean Watch. Today we're looking at the Invicta Pro Diver, Master of the Ocean. This is the number 22338. Number 22338 model number. The timepiece is stainless steel, and the strap is rubber. I'm comparing it, of course, now size-wise to another watch I've already shown on this channel. You can see its the thickness is a little bit thicker than the Megalith watch I've already reviewed on this channel a few videos ago. Go back to my videos and check that video out for information about the Megalith watch I'm comparing it to right now. In the scene, you can see the Invicta is a bit bigger. I paid a total of $73.14 for this watch, but the MSRP on the watch says it's $795. I purchased the watch from Sam's Club in Chesapeake, Virginia. The watch is water resistant up to 100 meters of water resistance. The watch is equipped with Tri-Night Night Glow, so it will glow some in the dark. That's nice if you're in the dark, so diving or whatever. The bezel does not turn. So if you're a diver, or the bezel turns, no, it doesn't turn. The rubber strap that comes with it is very comfortable on my wrist. It's one of the few watches that I don't have to put an extra hole in to fit my very small wrist, which is nice. And of course it does come with, as you saw in the beginning of the video, an Invicta box, which is always cool. Alright, and the movement is a Japanese quartz movement. It is a chronograph watch, which means it is a stopwatch. So you can use it as a stopwatch. Thus far, the watch so far has been quite durable, and it's been about a day since I actually shot this video, and no problem at all. It's still very comfortable to wear, and I will probably do a more long-term review of this watch as time goes on. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Again, for those of you, I've said it before, who came over from my previous channel those videos are slowly going to be deleted. I may delete all of them, but right now I'm only deleting most of them at the moment, slowly but surely. But thank you for coming over to my new channel. For anybody who's brand new to Atlantic Ocean Watch, I hope you've enjoyed this video. From underneath what's left of the Lynn Haven fishing pier here at Chesapeake Beach here in beautiful Virginia Beach, Virginia CX Beach, X Beach. This is Atlantic Ocean Watch, and I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to have new watches to talk about or at least show soon, so you'll have an idea about those watches before you buy them. And I might come back later on as time goes on. This watch would probably be my daily driver for a little while, and I might come back later on and give you guys a more in-depth review about how the watch is holding up, how it's doing, any quirks it has, things of that nature. But I appreciate you guys watching my channel, and please comment if you like, if you already have experience with this timepiece. And again, on this channel we will get into some technical detail, but I want to be careful not to get it too geeky. But I hope you enjoyed at least the scenery, even if you're not into watches. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Be safe, be well out there, and with the businesses here in Hampton Roads slowly starting to open back up, I can't wait for things to really take off, and I can really show you guys some really cool timepieces. See you soon. Take care.